morning. Today is Friday the 29th of May, and we're looking at the E-Mini S&P 500 futures contract. Market closed actually right in here yesterday. Opened up in here. And this is today's high. The first three 3-minute bars, the first 9 minutes, market dropped down to this low. I believe that we've dropped into some support in here. So I'm anticipating some type of bounce to the upside. And I've got these two white horizontal lines here. Let's see. These two white horizontal lines drawn actually to look to take some profits and possibly go short right in here. Looking for the market to come back down and retest the lows of the day. So I'm going to go ahead and look to take a small, just a small profit at I'm going to go 216 even. I'm going to look to go short in here. I believe we are going to try to push lower. So look at this. Am I late? Let's go 2 at 216. I got a small position, as you can see. I've got two contracts. Okay, we got some little momentum to the upside. I like it. We're up 200 bucks. Again, only two little contracts here. Trading very small here. 216 and a quarter. Let's see. Yeah, look at this. It's going on. Late on the draw. 216 and a quarter. I should have had that limit order in before it got there. That's why I drew my two white horizontal lines to represent that resistance. Let's see if we can get back up there and get us out. I'll be back shortly. God, come on, I should have had it in. All right, I am back, and again, an error. You can learn from my errors. I ended up exiting this trade because I was late on the draw putting the order in. Okay, I explained to you exactly what I was looking to do. I had drawn these two white horizontal lines in for a reason, and that was to take profits. I put in my limit order too late because I was putting together the video, and but whatever. I made a mistake. I told you I was expecting the market to come back, not only between these two white horizontal lines, which is a combination of the 50% retracement from the day's high, right, to low, and measuring from the prior day's high to low, we had confluence up in here. So this was a resistance area. Again, if I had done it right and I was quicker on the draw, that's not to say the market's not going to go move higher from here. So I'm going to watch. I'm going to continue recording. That was a big mistake, though, because taking profits where I was intending to, I would have made $200 there, and I should have been shorting it. And look at where the market's at, retesting these lows again, exactly what I had anticipated. So again, the reason is, look at, bought it here, was going to take profits in here, right? That's 2 points on 2. That's $200, and like I said, should have been shorting it there. Would have been looking to take profits off the table there. And again, look at the market's been open for 14 minutes. I would have had a long and a short. Would have been up about $400 on one contract only. Okay, and remember, on two contracts, you can, with a $5,000 to $8,000 account, easily trade two contracts. So I screwed up completely. So since it did what I thought and came right back down, as it was coming down, I exited the market, and look at this, down $50 instead of up about $300 to $400 on this. So live and learn. I'm going to pause the video and see if I get anything in here. Take a look at this. Real frustrated right now. Real frustrated right now. And this is the sell zone. Right? Bought it there. Again, late on the draw, put my sell limit in. And again, I should have been shorting it up in there. Now it's coming down. Now it's the question of, see if we get a setup here. I'll be back as the market plays out and see what happens. All right, I am back, and I did get long right in here, as you can see. Let's put another line in here, right here. I'm long. All right, let's just see where we're looking to take some profits. We're looking for a little bounce up in here, but how much, I'm not sure. I really think today is going to try to retest yesterday's low at some point. We're not quite there. Yesterday's low is right down in here. We still have a few more points. So what I am looking to do Hold on one second. All right, so I took one off, and let's get one on. Let's just see if we can run a little bit here. I want to see where this bar closes because it took out the high and the low of the prior 3-minute bar. If it closes in the top quarter, I would keep this. If it closes in the bottom quarter, I'll just scratch the trade. So let's just see. Boy, don't know what to think of this bar. Market did rally quite a bit on this bar, up to 16 even, and closed below the mid-range. So let's just see. There's a lot of indecision down in here. A lot of indecision down in here. So essentially what I'm going to do is I am going to place 12. I'm just going to sit and watch it just for a little longer. Just a little longer here. Again, a lot of indecision. I mean, remember, today's low is only about 2.5 points from yesterday's low, and yesterday was an inside pattern on a daily chart. Let's crunch this up. It's inside the prior day. So we're starting to coil up a little bit. All right, I've got a limit order and it's 15 3/4 because I've got something going on in about 2 minutes. Oh, look at this. I'm just going to exit the market. This is a lot of indecision here.
Order.
All right, take this order out. Here we go. So not a whole lot. I hope you learned a little something, but there will be a bigger move here. I'm not sure if it's going to be to the upside or the downside, so we'll see. Bye for now.